Hi friends! Thank you so much for coming back and clicking in today's video. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to my 8-year-old sweet boy. I hope you consider subscribing for more cleaning motivation and lots of home organization. I would love to have you and be a part of my YouTube family. I upload new video every single week. In today's video, I am going to show you my Shag rug / area rug deep cleaning routine using my Bissel Proheat Revolution Cleaner. I made this video because when I first bought this rug about 3 years ago, it was so thick that I had no idea how to clean it and if it's gonna hold together when I do. I searched and Googled but can't find exactly what I was looking for. So I decided I'm gonna teach myself and then make a video about this. So here it is. Disclaimer, I am not a professional cleaner. I am simply sharing you guys my experience and what works for me. First thing I do before I actually use my carpet cleaner is to give my Shag rug a real good vacuuming.
You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight.
So these are the products that I use to clean my rug. They are also Bissel brand. So if I can find the same exact one, it'll be in the description box below. So if you're interested to know, be sure to check that out. Here I'm filling up the designated cleaner container with warm water and formula. There's recommendation on the back of the container if you wanna follow those lines. But I'm using the instruction on my Bissel formula cleaner, and it says there that every 1 gallon of warm water use 2 ounces of formula, but I'm also using booster cleaner. You don't necessarily have to use this. You don't need to if you don't want to, but I'm using this because I don't clean my area rug as often as I want to, so it's dirty and I'm using all the help that I can get. The booster really works if you ask me. I try to clean my rug without it and I can tell the difference. So if you want to try, go ahead and you won't regret it, guys. And this is not a sponsored video. I just really love these products. Tip for you guys, when you're cleaning your rug or carpet or area rug, do it very slowly so that you can actually have time to get that cleaner on the rug, and that's how it works. I know I look like I'm really fast on this video because I did this times 8 faster, which means I'm moving 8 times faster than in real life. So that's why I look like I'm doing this so fast. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and I'll make more like this.
To do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running back.
I noticed that there's some hair stuck on the top part of the brush, the part that you can take out and clean. And this Bissel stick comes with the rug when you buy it. So here I'm showing you how I clean it.
My friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know.
Look at this dirty water, guys. It's almost black. It's disgusting and embarrassing. I don't even know why I'm showing that to you guys, but at the same time it's satisfying because I know all that dirt is out of my rug and that brings me joy.
Wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Here, once again, I'm just showing you how I clean the top part area of the brush that comes off, where all the hair gets stuck. I'm cleaning this and taking all those hair out with my Bissel stick. This comes with your carpet cleaner when you buy it.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
After cleaning my area rug, it's a must for me to clean my carpet cleaner as well every after use. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. If you like and enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. If you wanna follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!